Hello, welcome back to finally a LookFantastic unboxing, and I say finally because the day is April 30th. 30th. Last day of April. Usually this gets shipped out around the 1st, like between the 1st and the 5th usually. This was shipped out on the 11th, and it took way too long to get here. I don't know what's going on. Like, I get it, right? The world is not back to normal. There's still some problems with shipping and different carriers and whatever, but seriously, I'm just slightly annoyed. So anyways, let's open this up. This also made the whole odyssey, basically. Like, it went from different, cities in France to the next, and it's just, like, crazy. Also, it was shipped with FedEx, or, like, delivered with FedEx. Sometimes it's delivered with the normal post office. Yeah, so, it is apricot, I think, or peach. What's the difference? I don't know. Oh, and before I forget, I also have some LookFantastic product reviews that are after the unboxing. So this is what it looks like. It once again feels like recycled cardboard, like a recycled box. So that's always nice. Inside, well, it is white on peach. That's really difficult. Look after yourself from within, and your beauty will shine through. Oh, what? There are a lot of coupons. So we have one for all plants. Eating less meat has never been easier or tastier. So if anyone wants the code, there you go. Then we have, what is this? Cruising? Seriously? Okay, I'm really not impressed. Like, is this a beauty box or is this like what is this? And then I have 4 coupons for a Grace box. Okay, if anyone wants them, I don't know how well you can see it. Okay, that is just like, to me personally, a waste of paper. So anyways, we have a leaflet. That's good. And the box is already messed up. I mean, okay. Thing is, I actually went to LookFantastic and looked what is in the box because, it's like a little spoiler alert for my Panda palette. I'm really good at using eyeshadow currently these days, and not that I could buy a new palette or a quad or a quint or a trio, whatever, but I was just looking at things at not Sephora, at Colourpop. So I figured, with my luck, if I would buy, theoretically, a new palette at Colourpop, I would get also a palette in the LookFantastic box. That's just how my luck is. So I went to LookFantastic and checked, and I think there's only skincare products in. Which is good, but also not. I don't know, like, I'm going in to this box without any prejudice. Although the coupons already, and also like the shipping, everything. Yeah. So anyways, let's go in order. Oh, not again! There's a spoiler for my For Japan tea tree oil. No. So this is the Australian Body Care Heel Repair for extremely dry heels. Softening heel repair cream with and 25% urea to restore dry and rough skin on heels. Applied twice daily to clean feet. Okay. It's 100% vegan and it's dermatologically tested. So let's smell this. I can't. It's closed. Am I really using a not a face cream? Am I really using a foot cream? No, I'm not. So I'm not going to open it. I'm not using this. The thing is, I don't like the feeling of the texture on my feet. The same goes for foot masks. I appreciate them, but I'm also happy when I can take them off. You know what I mean? It's just like, it's just weird. I also don't. It's like when you're on the beach and you have like, you're coming out of the water and you have sand stuck between your toes. I will not open this up, but I will still read to you what it's supposed to do. But I will not use this. Wait, I got something else. We're already starting. Okay, this doesn't make sense. What's in your box? It says the Australian Body Care Tea Tree Oil, 10 milliliters. This is the heel repair. Like, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Look, see? Tea tree oil. There is no heel repair cream. The next, I'm just really confused. Like, the products are all dusty. Philip Kingsley should be next. Oh yeah, we have that one. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster, Restore Conditioner. Oh, that is good. I can always use conditioner. So this is what that one looks like. Let me smell this. Doesn't smell like anything. Let me spray it out. It smells like wine. Like very sour. I don't know if I want that on my hair. Like, what is going on with this box? I will try that because I can always use conditioner, but yeah. This unique product delivers a rush of moisture inside the hair cuticle and is especially beneficial for extremely damaged hair. This super moisturizing intensive treatment adds silkiness, suppleness, elasticity, bounce, and strength. And it has hydrolyzed elastin and olive oil. Wait. Okay, I'm once again really confused because it says how to use. Before shampooing, thoroughly wet hair and apply into sections. But this is a conditioner. It even says après shampoing, like after shampoo, a conditioner. What is going on? Next is the Avon. And I don't know how well you can see, but it's very dusty. Let me zoom in, maybe you can see it. Can you see how dusty it is? There's a molten brown shower gel. Do you see this? Do you see how dusty this is? This is absolutely disgusting. Look at that. The Avon Hyaluronic Cocoa Shea Butter Tocopherol Organ Hyalur Replenish Lip Balm. Wow, that was a mouthful. Jesus. It is in the box. Like in the actual box. The one that everyone else gets, but not me apparently. For satin smooth, hydrated lips, this soothing balm aims to leave lips irresistibly soft. It combines the perfect formula of hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Hyaluronic acid aims to penetrate deeply into the lips to hydrate and instantly helps remove the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. It has, as I just read, shea butter and hyaluronic acid. That is a very thick paste. Jesus. Ooh. Oh, that smells nice. That smells a bit like vanilla. Like really, like, not in your face, very subtle. That's nice. I like that. I like that. We have a Verso Hydration Serum that I do not have in my box. Listen, what's in your box, right? Each beauty box contains a selection of these must-have products, so obviously they're not all in, right? But I have two products here with me that are not even on the picture. So, because this is not here. It's nowhere to be found. Weird. Okay, so the Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. Fragrance-free, instantly soothes and replenish skin moisture barrier. Normal to dry skin. So I think this is a face cream. So it's basically a sample. It says, free sample, not for sale. I bought this box. And I get a free sample that you're not supposed to sell. Are you taking the piss? You can get this for free at Sephora probably, or whatever other store. I'm happy I'm documenting this because this is absolutely bullshit. Okay, anyways, two more products left. The very dusty and disgusting looking molten brown. God, I don't even want to touch this. Give me one. What is going on there? What is going on at LookFantastic? Like seriously. Molten brown, heavenly gingerly bath and shower gel. Ooh, that smells like a very strong male cologne, but in a good way. Okay, this brightened my mood a little bit, but not a lot. Like seriously, not a lot. They always smell good, so it's a shower gel. You cannot do anything wrong with that, unless there are ingredients in that I'm allergic to, but hopefully not. Oh yeah, the molten brown is worth £7. Oh, I can tell you how much it's worth. Okay, the molten brown is worth £7. The Philip Kingsley is worth, what is it? £4.50. The rest I don't have. I have the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner that is worth £7.50. So anyways, yeah, you saw it. The Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner. Moisten cotton wool pad and wipe gently over the face is a normal toner. That smells actually really good. It's still not really brighten up my mood, but it smells good. God, I'm so disappointed. Like, I'm really disappointed. Oh my god. So, yeah, top picks. Fresh Faced is the theme probably for this month's box. Cocoa Soup Butter. What it is and what it does. Plant Power. So, what different plants are good for. And flowers. So, what witch hazel is good for, what rosemary is good for, what lemon is good for, blah blah blah. behind the theme, oh, there's ingredients. So everything is about the formula, the products, that it's a good formula, it's a clean formula. Oh, next up is the Beauty Myths Debunked packaging. So, you know, different flushable wipes can be flushed. Natural and clean beauty is more sustainable. 5-step beauty routine. And next month's box has a Ritual of Karma body shimmer oil. There's no way I will use that because, no. Here it is. I'm disappointed. I'm actually really disappointed. Let me get the products that I've used up. And then we'll wrap up this video because this is a mess. Don't get me wrong, but I seriously don't even want to do the close-up of these products because I just don't want to. Seriously. This one, I got in the LookFantastic box ages ago. This is a lip pencil made to measure by Lord & Berry. That's the line, and it's called Just Naked. I have it on my lips right now, and I think it's absolutely atrocious. I look like that, basically. So yeah, it's also very hard to apply. I have a lip balm underneath and it still scratched my lips. So this is going... I'm sure that it looks good on other people, but it doesn't look good on me. Makes my teeth very yellow as well, so no. This is actually nice. I mean, it smells a bit like toilet cleaner, but it works nicely on your skin. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic that everyone raved about. And this is actually an acid, like an exfoliating toner. It has a bit of like acid in. It hurts a little bit on my skin. I have rather sensitive skin. I have breakouts already from whatever I've put on. Like, I don't need a lot. It hurts a little bit, but after that, it makes your skin super smooth and prepares it for whatever is to follow. You know, if that's like your normal skincare routine, or if you put makeup on afterwards, I really do enjoy it. The only thing I hate is the opening here, because it's really big. And if you, like, I try to use it with my hands, because that's how I usually apply toner. You know, I just dab a bit in my hands, rub it together, warm it up, and then tap it on my face. I'm not even rubbing it in, just tapping. It's a bit too big. And then I put it onto a cotton pad. There was also too much on the cotton pad. But on that, I actually will like this, and I might repurchase it. Maybe. Like, I have too much toner to use up. I got a new one today. So I currently have like a 500 milliliter toner that I'm trying to use up. So in the future, maybe. This you've actually seen a video on. This is the Brightening Sheet Mask by Beauty Pro. I really enjoy this. Really cooled down my face. It maybe made it a bit brighter. I'm not really sure, but my face was hydrated. I didn't have to put on a face cream afterwards. I really enjoy this, and I actually almost fell asleep with this on. So that should also tell you something. So I like these masks by Beauty Pro. They're really good. The Daily Cleanser Gel. No, the Daily Gel Cleanser by BB? I have no idea what I said. To be honest, I don't really remember this, but I guess it did a nice job, because if it wouldn't have done a nice job, I would have had breakouts and I would have remembered that. It wasn't as... No, let me rephrase. It wasn't so bad that I would remember it, but it also wasn't amazing that I would write it down on my wish list. But, you know, it did the job, probably. This is okay. This is the SVR Hyaluronic Acid Face Cream, the Irritated Eyelids Anti-Itching Soothing Cream. Like, it didn't really help with itching, but it really moisturized the eyes, like under eyes, around here, on top, like the whole eye area. It moisturized that, but it didn't really help with itching. So if you want a normal face cream, this might be for you. If you want something that's really helping with the itchiness, go to the pharmacy and get something, you know, like that's actually made for itching. It was okay, I wouldn't purchase it. Then last but not least, this was not as messy as I thought it would be, because you know me and oil. This is the Emma Hardy, oh god, I can't read this, Brilliance Facial Oil, that I only used in the evening because, or at night before I went to bed, because I cannot walk around with an oily face during the day, because I touch my face quite a lot. You know, I sit there like this, and I just can't. So I figured, put it on at night before you go to bed, and you're not touching it. Hopefully, like the only thing that's touching is my pillow, and I even have a towel underneath, so it's not even really touching my pillow in the first place. So, but yeah, very easy to use. You have this beautiful dropper that is unfortunately not going all the way to the bottom, so you have to, you know, dump it out. I just broke it. Oh, there you go. There you go. It has a nice dropper. I never really knew how much to use, but I didn't use enough for my face to be soaked in oil, but it was also enough to have a nice coat on, if that makes sense. It sank in very quickly, and you know, in the morning, like my face was not oily in the morning, so it sank in. Made my skin soft, good looking, and I really appreciated that. And I'm happy that I was able to use an oil without making a mess. So I probably wouldn't repurchase it, but it was still very nice to use. Maybe I would purchase it, I don't know, but it was nice to use. So anyway, that was everything that was in the box. That was my review. I'm absolutely disgusted by this box. Like, I got a free sample in the box that I paid for. I got some coupons. Like, I'm not saying, like, I'm not a snob, right? But I want what I pay for and what I'm used to. The foot cream, I'm not using. I might give this away to someone, or fuck, I might sell it and make my money back with this box that I, you know, like the conditioner, which is apparently not the conditioner according to LookFantastic itself, but it says a conditioner. I can use that, obviously. Yes. Shower gel I'm excited about. Toner I'm excited about. The lip balm I'm also excited about because you can also use lip balm. Let's see how this works. I'm not really sure. Yeah, this I'm actually very disgusted by. Like, this is just... So, you know what? I'm not even going to bother filming the close-ups because I just don't. So, anyways, I hope you still enjoyed the video. Like, and also tell me, like, I know that your feelings are always valid, and what you're feeling is always true and valid, and you're not overreacting. But am I overreacting? Would you be like, oh, this is okay, like I can deal with this? Or would you also be like, what the fuck is this? So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried any of this. I mean, you know, with the shower gel, what are you gonna tell me? You know, it smells good. But, you know, maybe you had the lip balm. Maybe you had an allergic reaction to it, like, I don't know. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Quickly coming back in. I found this on the bottom of the box. Okay, so this is the Verso Hydration Serum, which is in the box, so I'm happy about that. Reveal a glowing complexion with the Hydration Serum from Verso. The anti-aging moisturizer helps to strengthen the skin barrier, forming a protective layer against environmental damage and providing hydration for dry skin. It has niacinamide and glycerin. Yeah, it's still, like, I'm still not having this. I'm still very disappointed. Like, I have an extra product, but I'm still very disappointed, so I'm not even going to make the outro.